Continuing team coverage, parts of Southern California saw a generous amount of rain last week, especially over some of the mountainous areas. The rain, as we reported, led to flash flooding and mudslides in some areas. First Alert meteorologist Spencer Blum back again to talk more about last week's rain and exactly how flash floods and mudslides happen.
Exactly, Peter. These are very dangerous phenomenon that happen. And when we have these summertime rainfall events, the mountains tend to see much higher amounts of rain compared to other areas, especially like here on the valley floor. Now on your screen right now is some footage of flash flooding and subsequent damage that happened in the Oak Glen area last week. And the area around Forest Falls and Oak Glen saw upwards of 1.89 inches of rain in a single hour. Receiving so much rain in such a short period of time will cause floods like these to happen.
When we start to see over about an inch of rainfall an hour in the mountains, that's already a cause for concern. That's when we start worrying about flash flooding potential up there in the higher terrain. But when we're getting encroaching on that 2 inch an hour, that's when things can definitely turn deadly.
Mudslides and flash floods happen when a given area receives too much rain too quickly. The soil can absorb a certain amount of moisture, but when there's too much of that water, the soil simply becomes oversaturated and the water starts to rise. And in more mountainous terrain, that water will flow downhill and cause the top layer of soil to also become unstable and slide in the same direction. Flash floods and mudslides are extremely dangerous and can be deadly. That's why it's important to stay weather aware and to listen to warnings that come from the National Weather Service. Live in studio, Spencer Blum, News Channel 3.